Hi, this is Steve from Bosch. I'm here with Toolstop, looking at the latest in measuring tools from Bosch. This is the GLM 5027CG. It's a green laser measure with a 50-metre range, with the ability to connect to the Bosch Measure On app, meaning you can plot your jobs on your phone as you're doing it, which means they're ready to email or ready to export to whatever application you want to use them in. It's a new robust design with an all rubber case, so making it a lot more sturdy on the job site. IP64 protection, which means full dust protection, even resistant to low power water jets. So if you use it outside in the rain, you'll have no problems with this device. Very easy to use with the Ergonomic Design, single switch, thumb switch use or single finger use for these, and tripod compatible with this for accurate measuring. Easy to use features such as length measure, continuous measure, you can do areas, volumes, indirect measure, wall area measurements, stakeouts, and you've even got a level on this device. And you also have an internal memory to record if you can't connect to your phone. To get started, it's press the button and it makes a measure. That measure, when connected to Measure On, will automatically transfer to your phone.